You probably didn't know this about the Amazon rainforest.
The Amazon is a colossal mystery. First of all, to give some basic figures, the Amazon basin is huge. Within it, 5.5 million square kilometers remains almost entirely unstudied by archaeologists. 5.5 million square kilometers is the size of the entire Indian subcontinent. So it's like saying, we've done world archaeology, but we've just ignored India. You know, the Amazon rainforest is literally being cut down. And in that cutting down process has emerged things that shouldn't be there at all. For example, evidence that large cities flourished in the Amazon. Incredible cities, advanced arts and crafts, millions of people, a thriving culture. And then in the last decade, as the clearances of the Amazon have proceeded, we've begun to see the traces of those cities. Within 50 years, they were completely overgrown by the jungle, and that's why they were not seen by the explorers who came in 100 years later. But now the jungle's being cleared, those